Hello friends, welcome to Ashish Talk Business News. And friends, today we are going to see the latest updates regarding to TCS results and everyday analysis of TCS, Infosys and uh, Wipro. And friends, see today the results posted by the company are flat. And one thing which we are going to see is it's a quarterly sequential quarter miss. See here, comparing to last year Q4 and this financial year Q1, there is an increment in total income, that means revenue, that to just 3%, and there is a miss of just minus 2%. And next, going to see its year on year comparison of same quarters looks good. Comparing to last year Q1, this Q1 there is an improvement, but it's very good improvement. But we need sequential improvements. And one thing which we are going to see is like the company's chief executive officer words. So they mentioned they have good business on North America, BFSI, and retail all showed an applicable appreciable growth, but which underlining the resilience of our operation model means their India's potential of like second wave given some negative impact on their business, and they are telling like the variants of viruses and the fears of a potential third wave was a watchful of the emerging situation. So this line will give you a negative vibes for the industry, I think. And the next thing which we are going to see is like what they mentioned, they overcome the challenge posed by the second COVID wave in India. Yeah, really, I too appreciated with this statement because they shown an extraordinary performance. Still, there is no business at all. They posted some good numbers, friends. If you observe, and they said their superior quarter with TCV of 8.1 billions, which is broad based across markets and verticals, and their G plus T theme, which having a good sign of SAS deals ever for the TCS. So, friends, we are going to see a good thing in this market, which is like SAS deals over banking platforms and cloud. So this is the business where we are following in Tanla and Route and Afil India. And friends, next we are going to see how the stock on like BSC site. They given like the flat financial performance which was given by the company. And the next thing is like if you see nothing here maybe, but something which I am going to show you like the attrition rate is lowest in the industry for TCS. We already know this. The attrition rate means how many employees are removed by the company to acquire new members. This is called attrition rate, and Infosys will have high attrition rates normally. And if you see here, like they added 20,400 employees in this quarter, and which is highest, and the growth in verticals, life science and healthcare 25%, while retail and CPG growth 21%, banking finance like 19%. We already know that healthcare will dominate every sector in this time, and which we are going to see next one is like performance. If you see here, after I just kept 6 months. Why? Because now we are sequentially seeing 6 months reports. So after reaching top like 3,328 as a resistance we taken, this is 6 months chart which today we are seeing like up to the results. So up to here, like up to here the share is at 3,158. So after this there is an improvement movement. So there is a less revenue generated on sequential basis, so we can expect the share will again come to 3158 level. So this is my view, and 3158, if you think the third wave will come, it even crosses this line also. So I taken as a 3123 as a support, and take a mark of it 3123, and I will keep these lines as it is, friends. If you are aware or not, I already every time I keeping these all lines which I taken like trend lines, support and resistance, everything I will keep it on system itself. And next one which you are going to see is Infosys. So friends, up to 1550 as a resistance, it multiple times it takes to break, but this time with the TCS results outlook may expect some little fall, and we may see like this high or this closing like 1500 as the support for the share before its results. Why? Because it is having its results in next week 14th, I think so. So up to now, up to that, we are keeping like 1511 rupees as the support for the Infosys, and next one is Wipro. So after I mentioned like 540 as the resistance support level, which it breaks with huge bearish candle, it is taking 527 as the another support. I keep this another support last time itself, and now it is at multiple times it taken this line as a support, this level 527 as a support. But friends, we may expect tomorrow it will break, and we may take as next support is like 527, next 514. So 514 will be next support for the Wipro sense. And this is my view on three shares. And thank you, friends. Thank you very much.